Finally made it to Dubai this morning. We had a delayed flight again for the third time. Left at 11 o'clock in the night. Whilst I was in Nairobi, they took my drone. They actually seized it on Thursday. This was when I was actually going to get a voucher for the accommodation when the flight was delayed the second time. So when they took my drone, they said I would pick it up when I'm traveling. I had to go to Terminal 1E to collect my drone. But when I got there, they sent me back on the other side to 1A to get a ID pass. So one of the things is they won't let you in 1E unless you have an ID pass. So I had to run again to 1A, get an ID pass where you have to deposit your passport, then go back to 1E, and they don't hand over the drone to you. They have to be escorted to the terminal. So it's a long process. So if you're coming to Nairobi, Kenya with a drone, bear in mind they may seize your drone or confiscate it for the time being till you stay in Nairobi unless you have a permit. So if you don't have a permit, I suggest get a permit or don't bring your drone.